Copper gets its name from the Latin word cuprum, meaning the island of Cyprus. In ancient Rome, most copper was mined in Cyprus.
Copper was discovered in the ancient times, so the year and person is unknown.
The chemical symbol for copper is Cu.
The density for copper is 8.933 grams per cubic centimeter.
There are 29 protons, 34 neutrons, and 29 electrons in copper.
In the following picture, the protons are red, the neutrons are blue, and the electrons are green.
Some compounds of copper are
Cupric oxide,
cupric chloride,
copper cyanide. Copper's atomic number is 29.
copper's atomic mass is 63.546.
Copper is a transition metal.
It is in the 11th group and 4th row of the periodic table. The freezing and melting points for copper are the same, at 1084.62 degrees Celsius.
The boiling point for copper is 2562.22 degrees. Today, copper is being used in electric wiring and some copper piping.
And at room temperature, it is solid.
Fun fact, did you know copper stopped being made in pennies from 1982 to the present day?
Fun fact, it is $3.68 per pound of copper.
Pennies are mostly made out of copper. When copper bonds with oxygen, it makes copper oxide, which makes pennies look dirty. Today, we'll be making an acidic mixture that will dissolve the copper oxide and hopefully make the pennies look clean again.
In our acidic mixture, we will have 4 tablespoons of lemon juice,
8 tablespoons of red wine vinegar,
and a teaspoon of salt.
First, for our experiment, we will be dipping this dirty penny into the mixture halfway for 20 seconds. As you can see, the clean half of the penny was the side that was dipped into the acidic mixture.
That's it.
Now we put all 10 dirty pennies in the acidic mixture for 5 minutes and see what happens.
Now, we're going to take the pennies out of the mixture, and then we're going to wash 6 of the pennies and leave the other 4.
Alright. As you can see, they're all pretty clean. Alright, grab about 6.
Okay, so now we're going to take 6 of the pennies and we're going to wash them off. And then the other 4 we are going to leave out.
There we go. Alright.
When the mixture dissolved the copper oxide, it made it easier for the copper atoms to bond with the oxygen and the salt, which was supposed to create a green substance that was supposed to turn these pennies that we didn't rinse green, called malachite. As you can see, this didn't really happen very much. Some of the pennies had turned slightly bluish green, and you can see on the paper towel, some of it rubbed off. But it really did not create what we were expecting. The pennies that we did rinse, they were not supposed to turn blue and green because the water was supposed to dilute that.
Our experiment ended well. The pennies were cleaned, however, some of the malachite did not form.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed.